In the midst of prolonged conflict in Manipur, Moreh town faces another challenge as theft strikes one of its schools, Eastern Shine School, Moreh. Roof tin, including essential items of Eastern Shine School, Moreh, building number 2 and conference hall have been stolen following withdrawal of security forces. No instances of theft were reported during BSF's stay at Eastern Shine School, Moreh, located at Moreh Ward number 7. However, the situation took a turn for the worse after their departure. The school, operated by Meitei Education Society, Moreh, from nursery to class 10, has long served as an educational beacon for diverse students. Population of Moreh encompassing Tamil, Bihari, Nepali, Meitei, Pangal, Tamil Muslim, Meitei, Kuki students. It may be recalled that the conflict, which has persisted since May 3rd last year, has forced many Moreh residents to seek refuge at relief camps scattered across the various districts. In response to the escalating security concerns, President of the Meitei Council, Moreh, Mayang Lambam Thoiba, has issued a fervent appeal to the government, urging authorities to prioritize deployment of security personnel at Eastern Shine School, Moreh. He further emphasized the imperative of protecting educational institutions from further harm amidst uproar of conflict.